Hey guys, this is a continuation of our snow day menu. And you have to have something sweet to go along with that wonderful taco soup. I will make sure I link it in the description box down below. Now we're going to make a cherry cream cheese pie. And here are the ingredients that you're going to need. We're going to need some sweetened condensed milk, cream cheese. It goes together quickly. This is so quick. And you're going to need some lemon juice. Now I had some lemons on hand and I did not want them to go bad, so I would be squeezing fresh lemon juice. You're going to need some vanilla extract. For our topping, once our pie has set, we're going to top it with some cherry pie filling. And we're also going to need a graham cracker crust, but I'm going to be making my graham cracker crust today. So let's get into our dessert. Guys, I already have a video up on this graham cracker crust. And if you would like to know how to make this graham cracker crust, I will make sure I link that particular video down below. So we're just trying to get some of the prep work out of the way. And this pie going to go together pretty quickly. I've already rolled my lemons and got them soft. And we're going to need 1/3 of a cup. And I have my juicer here, my manual juicer. And I'm simply just going to cut those in half. And we're going to see can we get 1/3 of a cup out of our 4 lemons here. Whoops. We've gotten all our prep work out of the way, and now it's time to put our filling together. We're going to give our bowl a good scrape down here. And one thing about this type of pie, you want to make sure you blend it very well, because when you're using the cream cheese, it can stick to the bottom. Because remember, we're not going to bake this. So once you put it into the refrigerator, if you got lumps and clumps in your filling, that's what's going to be your finished product. So you just want to take the time. Look how beautiful that is. Now we're just going to take the remainder of our ingredients and we're going to fold them into our filling. Okay guys, it's the next day and our pie has been sitting overnight. It's all set. And I also went ahead and put my cherry pie filling in the refrigerator so it can be chilled. So we're simply going to just open that up. Oops. Okay. And this is going to take our filling and we're just going to lay it right on top of our pie. Oh wow, this pie brings back memories. This was a childhood favorite for sure in our household. And this is your Cheerio cream cheese pie. Take a look at our slice of Cheerio cheese pie. Guys, this dessert is just so simple and refreshing. It will not disappoint. And this can easily be made into a nice big trifle dish. Not overly sweet, just beautiful. So I hope you give this simple Cheerio cream cheese pie a try. And if you don't mind giving this video a thumbs up. And we're going to see you next time right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B.